Wanna know how to fix black screen in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you an easy and quick fix that is under 60 seconds on how to fix your black screen. So let's get right into it. Now, first up, there are many ways to fix black screen, so I'm just going to give you some of them. So first up, you can just simply clear out your app from the recent tabs. So just simply open a recent tabs and then just clear out PUBG Mobile, and then you can just simply reopen it. Or what else you can also do is just simply head towards your app settings. Just simply hold up your icon and head towards settings right here, and now you need to simply select force stop right here if it's available. Just simply select force stop, and once that is done, you can just simply relaunch. And if still doesn't work, then what you can do is just simply on the bottom right side you can see this clear data icon. So simply select clear data and then go for clear all data or clear cache. I'd recommend to go for clear cache once. So simply say clear cache and OK. But if it still doesn't work, just simply hit towards clear data again. And after that is done, your black screen should fix. So if it still doesn't, simply restart your device once or just simply reinstall your PUBG Mobile by selecting this trash icon right here and then selecting OK. And that's it. Your PUBG Mobile's black screen should be fixed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.